Hello guys, I am Rotaract and today I am going to explain this topic about remove element from an array. Let's get started. The problem statement is we are giving an array of an integer called nums and a specific integer value called val. Our task is to remove all occurrences of val from the array in place without using extra space. First we want to define a class and then define a function, then initializing the k variable. We start by initializing a variable k to 0. Next we loop through the list using for loop for I in range len and num. We check each index one by one. Inside the loop we use the condition if num of I not equal to val. We check if the current element is not equal to val, then override the array. If it valid, we do num of k is equal to num of I. We copy the valid element to the kth position, updating the array in a place. Then increment k. We write k plus equal to 1. We increase k because we added another valid element. Then return the counts. After looping, we return k. This number tells us how many valid elements remains in the updated list. Then we got the first k element in nums. We got the final output. Thank you guys.